Hello everyone, let's get started. To understand the working of cholinergic and adrenergic system, basically we need to learn the physiology of autonomic nervous system. So friends, autonomic nervous system is basically divided into two types: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. So what is mean by autonomic nervous system? Autos means self. That is, autonomic nervous system is self-regulatory, meaning involuntary in nature. So, to understand the physiology of sympathetic nervous system, we need to study the four components of sympathetic nervous system. That is, first is sympathetic chains, second preganglionic fibers, third collateral ganglions, and fourth postganglionic fibers. So, let's get into the component. Let's get into the very first component of sympathetic nervous system. They are sympathetic chains. So, sympathetic chains are the paired ganglions. They are 21 paired ganglions situated in the spinal cord. They are cervical, thoracic, lumbar and sacral, respectively 3, 12, 5 and 1 in number. So, what is the meaning of paired ganglions? Okay, ganglions are the cluster of neuronal cell bodies. Okay, means collection of cell bodies situated in the spinal cord. So, first component is sympathetic chains. So, this you can see this is the spinal cord and this is the cervical region, thoracic region, lumbar region and sacral region. So, these 21 paired ganglions are situated in this spinal cord. Okay. So you can see this is the spinal cord. As we said, 21 paired ganglions are situated in the spinal cord. That is, this is cervical region. This is cervical region, thoracic region, respectively lumbar and sacral. So in this cervical region, this spinal cord contains paired ganglions 3, 12, 5 and 1 respectively. Okay. Then next is something related to ganglia, that is preganglionic fibers. As we see, this is the spinal cord and ganglions, that is chain of ganglions, are situated in this spinal cord. So these preganglionic fibers arise from these paired ganglions. So what are these preganglionic fibers? Basically, preganglionic fibers are the axons of the cell bodies. Okay, they are the axons of cell bodies situated in the spinal cords. I repeat, preganglionic fibers क्या है? It is very important. Hence, I repeat, preganglionic fibers एक्सॉन्स है उन सेल बॉडीज के जो इस स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में सिचुएटेड है. ओके, देन सेकेंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट रिलेटेड टू प्रीगैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स आर short in nature. Okay, they are always short in nature, and further we will study postganglionic fibers. They are long in nature. Okay, then third most important point related to preganglionic fibers are preganglionic fibers of sympathetic nervous system arise from two sides, either from thoracic region or lumbar region. Means preganglionic fibers of sympathetic nervous system are thoracico-lumbar in origin. ओके, ये जो प्री गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स होते हैं सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम के, वो आइदर थोरैसिक रीजन से निकलते हैं और लंबर रीजन से निकलते हैं. ओके, देन फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट रिलेटेड टू प्री गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स आर, सी these preganglionic fibers are arising from the cell bodies, that is paired ganglions situated in the spinal cord. ये यहाँ से निकल के आइदर डायरेक्टली सिनेप्स करते हैं पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स से, या फिर कोलैटरल गैंग्लियंस में मर्ज होके फिर बाद में पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स से सिनेप्स करते हैं. ओके, आई रिपीट, प्री गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स अराइजिंग फ्रॉम द पेयर्ड गैंग्लिया either directly synapse with the postganglionic fibers or through the collaterals. Okay, next component of sympathetic nervous system is collateral ganglions. Okay, then these collateral ganglions are 3 in number and present in abdominal cavity. They are, you can see, celiac ganglion, superior mesenteric ganglion, inferior mesenteric ganglion. Okay, these names are given according to the artery present nearby. Okay, now let's talk about the last component of sympathetic nervous system, that is postganglionic fibers. So postganglionic fibers मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, listen, postganglionic fibers are the axons of cell bodies either located in these collaterals or इन द गैंग्लिया. मतलब ये जो पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स है वो एक्सॉन्स है उन सेल बॉडीज के जो आइदर इस कोलैटरल्स में लोकेटेड है और उन सेल बॉडीज के जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में लोकेटेड है. ओके, प्री गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स क्या थे? दे वेयर द एक्सॉन्स ऑफ सेल बॉडीज लोकेटेड इन द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. ओके, एंड दिस पोस्ट गैंग्लियोनिक फाइबर्स आर long in nature. Summarizing all the 4 components of sympathetic nervous system, first component were sympathetic chains, that is the 21 paired ganglions which are located in cervical region, thoracic, lumbar and sacral region. They were basically the collection of cell bodies. Okay, from that paired ganglions, preganglionic second component, that is preganglionic fibers are arised. See, these are the paired ganglions located in the thoracic and lumbar region. We are talking here about thoracic and lumbar region because sympathetic nerves are arising from thoracic and lumbar region only. Means preganglionic fibers for sympathetic nerves arises only from 2 region, that is either thoracic or lumbar region. So first component is sympathetic chains. From that preganglionic fibers are arising. Then preganglionic fibers, these fibers either directly synapse with the postganglionic fibers or through collaterals. Then after merging in collaterals, they will convert into postganglionic fibers. Okay, so these were the 4 components of sympathetic nervous system. Thank you. When we talk developmentally, means on development, we can say that adrenal medulla and sympathetic ganglia, these are same. What does it mean? It means that both adrenal medulla and sympathetic ganglia are derived from same neural crest, meaning they have same origin. Okay, that is derived from same tissue of neural crest. Okay, and sometimes it is said that adrenal medulla is modified sympathetic ganglia. If adrenal medulla is modified sympathetic ganglia, meaning they must have same cells. Okay, if adrenal medulla is modified sympathetic ganglia, means they have same cells. Okay, then if we talk about its stimulation, okay, if they have same self and if any stimulation comes, then on stimulation this adrenal medullae will secrete 80% adrenaline, okay, 20% noradrenaline, and in traces it will secrete dopamine. Hence, when sympathetic nerves will stimulate adrenal gland, it will lead to the secretion of hormones that we have studied earlier, that is adrenaline, noradrenaline, and dopamine. It will be 100%, 20%, and dopamine will be in traces. Means, summarizing that, earlier we have said that there are ganglions. Okay, these were the cell bodies located in the spinal cord. From these ganglions, there will arise preganglionic fibers. Okay, and one most important point we have studied that these preganglionic fibers will either directly synapse into postganglionic fibers or through collaterals. Means some fibers will directly turn into postganglionic fibers and some will merge into collaterals, then in postganglionic fibers. So, these preganglionic fibers of sympathetic nervous system are adrenergic in nature. As we have said that sympathetic nerves will stimulate adrenal gland and it will lead to the secretion of these hormones. So basically, sympathetic nerves and adrenal gland, they are working as integrated function. They are working in integration. So the fibers of sympathetic nerves, that is preganglionic fibers, we can say that they are adrenergic fibers.